The color yellow. It may brighten your day, yet it's also a color linked with sickness and discomfort, but bear with me because it's also the color of many healthful foods, which golden seed has been proved to lower blood pressure. Butter is the world's most widely used culinary fat, but a butter alternative with significantly more health benefits may be right around the corner. We're about to reveal 7 wonderful yellow meals that can help you balance your blood sugar, and keep reading to learn which secret yellow fruit may aid in the treatment of diabetes. Stay tuned for further updates. Yellow tones are now relaxing. Here comes the top 7 yellow foods for blood sugar balance. Number 7. Summer squash. Summer squash, also known as yellow squash, is a nutritious veggie that provides vital minerals and vitamins A and C in abundance. Folate and other trace minerals. Summer squash is a healthy addition to a balanced diet, and with just 20 calories per 100 grams servant, along with supplying only 3 g of total carbs but 1.5 grams of fiber. This low-cal, low-carb, high antioxidant veggie can aid digestion and improve gut health as a wonderful source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. This squash type is perhaps best known for its ability to assist you get rid of belly fat and reduce blood sugar levels after meals, as well as its yellow color. These pigments don't just give squash their bright color. Studies show that they can improve eye health and lower the risk of cataracts. Summer squash is a low carbohydrate, high nutrient food that may be substituted for starchy pastas in some instances. What yellow cooking oil option can you use with your summer squash to reduce insulin resistance? It's time to meet number 6, yellow bell peppers, which are a great source of heart-healthy nutrients such as vitamins A, B6, E, and K. And would you believe that a single bell pepper can supply well over 100% of the recommended daily intake for vitamin C? It's true. In fact, bell peppers hold over double the amount of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a must-have for every healthy individual, particularly if you are concerned about diabetes, since it has been found to aid in the management of cholesterol and blood sugar levels. But yellow bell peppers specifically can also provide a great amount of carotenoids and other polypheny. All antioxidants, including lycopene, lutein, violazanthin and quercetin. These pigments have antioxidant properties that can help to decrease inflammation, oxidative stress, and the chance of heart disease. A single bell pepper has 31 calories, only 7 grams of carbohydrates, and 2.5 grams of dietary fiber, but there's more. A typical bell pepper is about 92% water. This is one vegetable that can help you stay hydrated while also helping to reduce post-meal glucose levels, which yellow lagoon would go well with your bell peppers. You won't want to miss the food that lands in our number 2 spot. Number 5 is number 5. Golden flax seeds are well known for their high fiber content. And you won't need much of these tiny oil seeds to get the same nutritional value. Flax seeds, on the other hand, have a very high amount of fiber per serving, which means that they are low in carbohydrates and contain a good deal of pure fiber. In fact, a 3 tablespoon serving has just 4 grams of total carbohydrates, and almost all of them are pure fiber, with an outstanding carb to fiber ratio. They also include alpha-linolenic acid, which has been found to reduce inflammation. Meanwhile, flax seeds are a great source of phytosterols. Plants that had been used as a blood-thinning medicine triggered the synthesis of compounds in the body that neutralized cholesterol. So it's no surprise that ground flax seeds help to lower blood pressure. According to a recent research, people who ate 4 tablespoons of ground flax seeds each day had reduced blood pressure in diabetic patients. And a separate study revealed that participants with high cholesterol who consumed just 3 tablespoons of flax seeds per day had a 20% reduction in their LDL cholesterol. Plus, golden yellow flax seeds contain lignin. It is antioxidants that may improve insulin sensitivity while lowering the risk of heart disease. We've discovered an amazing variety of yellow foods to use in the kitchen, but which yellow spice can you use in most any meal to reduce your blood sugar? You'll be amazed by our top pick. Yellow food for blood sugar balance. When it comes to cooking, you should start with a healthy cooking oil first. So let's reveal the amazing anti-diabetes butter. Clarified butter, which is also known as number 4 ghee, is a traditional Indian cooking ingredient that may be beneficial for lowering blood sugar levels. Butter tends to contain very similar nutritional profiles, has a higher smoke point, and it's also lactose-free. Olive oil is a wonderful cooking oil. It can be used as an alternative to coconut or palm oil, which many people are allergic to, and contains high amounts of antioxidants, such as vitamins A. Uric acid, a short-chain fatty acid which has been shown to reduce gut inflammation by modulating pro-inflammatory pathways. According to a study published in the journal Appetite, beautiful people have a higher resting energy expenditure, REE, and are able to burn more calories during exercise. This may help your body become more efficient at burning calories by improving its efficiency at conserving energy. Beauty rates in the gut are also lower among individuals with type 2 diabetes, according to studies. Ghee can be a wonderful anti-diabetes alternative to butter. In addition, a recent animal study found that eating ghee reduced insulin resistance by 50%. The same study also showed that ghee may work to reduce fasting glucose levels. The following food, which was once controversial but may yet provide significant health advantages, takes our number 3 position. On the other hand, eggs are packed with nutrients and, as stated by the American Diabetes Association, are a great choice for people with diabetes because they're high in protein, vitamins, and minerals but low in carbohydrates. Eggs have a minor effect on blood sugar levels thanks to their minimal impact on blood sugar levels. In fact, protein works to slow digestion and reduce the risk of post-meal glucose spikes. A recent research revealed that consuming 1 large egg per day can help to lower fasting blood sugar levels while improving insulin sensitivity. Yes, eggs have a significant cholesterol content. However, they also contain heart-healthy HDL cholesterol that may help to lower that nasty LDL cholesterol.
Eggs are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, L, A, which are good for you,
And D,
H,
A. These fats have been shown to improve brain function and cardiovascular health incredibly. A 2018 study revealed that participants who ate eggs on a regular basis had a lower risk of heart disease than those who ate no eggs. And thanks to their protein content coupled with their insignificant amount of carbs, eggs have a GI score of 0 that makes them a wonderful breakfast, lunch, or even snack food which won't spike your blood sugar. Now let's reveal the perfect yellow legume to help you fight high glucose levels. Number 2, chickpeas. Garbanzo beans, also known as garbanzos, are tiny golden balls of nutrition that provide a wide range of health advantages, including weight reduction, improved digestion, and gut health. These beans are a rich source of protein, providing 6 grams in each cup. They're also high in fiber and complex carbohydrates while having 6 grams of dietary fiber and 6 grams of protein, making them ideal for weight loss since they aid with digestion and make you feel fuller faster, reducing your appetite. Garbanzo beans may also be used to moderate post-meal glucose levels, as they are gluten-free and low in carbohydrates. In fact, several studies have indicated that chickpeas may reduce the risk of heart disease and diabetes due to their ability to lower blood sugar. One study found that in comparison with consuming 2 slices of white bread, eating 200 grams of chickpeas reduced post-meal spikes in blood sugar by almost 40%. Chickpeas or other legumes were found to aid in weight reduction by 25% when consumed on a daily basis, according to a separate academic research. Meanwhile, these bright and flavorful beans come loaded with diabetes-fighting nutrients including folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, and zinc. Beneficial components in foods like asparagus and certain berries have been discovered to promote a wide range of health advantages, including lowering LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, improving blood pressure, and reducing the risk of some types of cancer. Now that you know which meals to eat on your next glucose-lowering meal to get these compounds, it's time to discover how to healthfully spice up your dish. Turmeric, the bright yellow spice that gives curry its deep color and is a superfood for lowering blood sugar, is one of our favorite yellow food options. Turmeric curcumin contains a potent antioxidant that has been studied extensively for its capacity to promote anti-diabetic effects in the body. A study published in 2009 found that curcumin lowers blood glucose levels and has a significant role in preventing diabetes. In fact, a recent animal trial found that regular consumption of turmeric extract in type 2 diabetic mice significantly reduced blood glucose levels over a 4-week period. Turmeric extract helps to heal diabetes because it has anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetic properties. In addition, a separate animal study proved that turmeric supplementation reversed hyperglycemia and insulin resistance in just 28 days. Curcumin has been studied extensively for its ability to decrease pancreatic beta cell injury and prevent diabetes development. As you know by now, inflammation and oxidative stress can contribute to the onset of diabetes. But the potent antioxidant properties of turmeric help it reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activation of inflammatory pathways. Turmeric and its curcumin content have been shown to counteract free radicals while simultaneously promoting the activity of other antioxidants in a variety of studies. The cumin has also been shown to lower the risk of heart disease, and it may even work to improve your memory. So don't forget to use this amazing spice in a variety of dishes to reap the health benefits. We've reached the end of this list, but hold on, we're not done just yet. It's time to finally reveal the hidden yellow fruit that can help you maintain a healthy blood sugar level: bananas. Bananas are well known for being a healthy component of your diet, and they're not exactly a secret that bananas may be beneficial in supporting blood sugar levels. You might assume that this sweet fruit may possibly skyrocket your blood sugar. However, the truth is that bananas can be incredibly beneficial for balancing your blood sugar. Ripe bananas are high in soluble fiber, which may bind to cholesterol and sugar in the body and help to promote heart health and minimize the risk of a glucose overload. While they are unquestionably more green than yellow, ripe bananas with a lot of starch, resistant starch, can be beneficial for heart health by feeding good gut bacteria, reducing the chances of colon cancer, and promoting regularity. A note of caution: unripe bananas have a high concentration of resistant starch, which can actually contribute to constipation. Meanwhile, bananas contain a long list of diabetes-fighting antioxidant nutrients including vitamin C, copper, folate, magnesium, potassium and riboflavin. But of course, when it comes to fruit, you should be mindful of your portion size. Sticking to a single serving of fruit per day is recommended by many doctors and nutritionists. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage. Lemons are also a good source of flavonoids, which are plant-based compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and blood sugar lowering effects. A study published in 2012 found that lemon peel extract was able to decrease blood sugar levels in rats with type 2 diabetes. Another study published in 2010 found that lemon peel extract was able to improve insulin sensitivity in rats with type 2 diabetes. Lemons are a great way to add flavor to your food while also getting a dose of antioxidants and blood sugar lowering compounds. Well, that about wraps up this NutriOpack video. Before you go, do us a favor by liking this vivid. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We wish you a happy and healthy day.